In this video, we are going to see that if you are trying to access any kind of website and you see this kind of error, status access violation, and you see this kind of error on the browser, especially on the Chrome browser, here is what you can do. First of all, just close out of all the websites and applications and just try to restart your computer. Hopefully that should solve the problem in some cases, but if not, what you do after the restart is just go to the Google Chrome, and once you have this open, on the top right, we have these three dots. Just click here, click on the settings, and then we basically go to reset settings and click on restore settings to their original defaults. So once you click on this, you will see that what the reset settings does. This action will reset some of the Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary data. So if you're sure this is what you want to do, just click on reset settings. So after that, even if the extensions are disabled, you can just go manually to the extension section and just enable that one by one. So that is not a problem. You can just go it from here, click on manage extensions, manage extensions, and you can enable this one by one. And after that, just close and relaunch the Chrome and just try to access the same website, and hopefully that should work for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.